In this video, you'll learn how to export contacts from Pipedrive in just a few simple steps. Whether you need a quick backup, want to analyze your data in a spreadsheet, or share a contact list with your team, this process will help you export your contacts efficiently. Start by opening the Contact section from the left-hand sidebar. This will display your main contact list, including important columns such as name, organization, email, and more. At the top of the list, you may notice filters or search criteria already applied. Keep in mind that whatever is currently displayed on your screen is exactly what will be exported. So if you only want a specific segment, such as contacts with open deals or contacts assigned to a particular owner, make sure the correct filters are active before continuing. If you want to export everything, ensure the full contact list is visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the contact table and locate the three-dot More Options menu. Click on it to open the dropdown. From the available options, select Export Filter Result. This tells Pipedrive to export only the contacts that match your current view and filters, preparing them as a downloadable file. You will then be prompted to choose a file format. You can select either Excel or CSV. Choose Excel if you plan to open the file in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets and prefer a formatted spreadsheet. Choose CSV if you want a lightweight, widely compatible format that works with most data tools and applications. CSV is especially useful for large data sets and data transfers between systems, while Excel is better for quick viewing, sorting, and formatting. After selecting your preferred format, Pipedrive will generate the file and download it to your default Downloads folder. You can keep the default file name or rename it using a clear naming convention, such as including the date and filter details. This helps you stay organized and easily identify files later. That's all there is to it. To summarize, go to Contacts, apply your filters if needed, open the three-dot menu, choose Export Filter Result, and select either Excel or CSV. Make sure to keep your exported files organized, especially if they contain important or sensitive information. Proper file management will save you time when you need to access or share your data in the future. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to export your Pipedrive contacts with confidence.